I just automated 3 hours of spreadsheet hell in about 10 seconds. No word of a lie. If you're drowning in spreadsheet tasks and want to save your sanity, click the link in the description for a special lifetime deal on SheetMagic. So what's this SheetMagic malarkey then? It's basically ChatGPT living inside your Google Sheets. Like having a tiny AI assistant trapped in your spreadsheet doing all the boring bits while you take the credit. With SheetMagic, you can generate content in bulk. Hundreds of product descriptions, blog ideas, or email templates faster than you can say, "I hate lookup." Need to scrape data from websites? Normally that's proper techie stuff, but SheetMagic does it without you writing a single line of code. Just tell it what you want, and boom, competitor prices, SEO data, all neatly organized in your sheet. It's dead brilliant for marketers and SEO folks. One user said it completely changed the way I work and called it a miracle worker. Though fair warning, some people have had issues with customer support and API keys. Nothing's perfect, is it? But with a 4.7 out of 5 rating from over 265 reviews, most people are chuffed with it. And there's a 60-day money-back guarantee if it doesn't work out. So if you're sick of spreadsheet drudgery, click the link below for the AppSumo lifetime deal. Because life's too short to be copying and pasting until your fingers fall off, innit?